And please give it up for your first call, George Wagner, everybody.
Hey, baby George was on tonight, wasn't he? So I had a girlfriend had food issues, and they can't let the food touch each other, so they have to separate the foods. And I asked her, I said, well, what about like stir fry where it's all mixed up together? She said, but it's okay if it comes out that way. So I just had to remember to put the whipped cream on before I came into the bedroom. So I've been trying to do a lot of the social media techniques in my real life. So I was at a bar where one of my ex-girlfriends and I used to go, and she happened to be there. So I just ghosted her. Really freaked out when I walked right through her. I was at the grocery store and saw this really cute girl, so I walked up and gave her an eggplant. And I saw this really cool person, I decided to follow him. Do you know how hard it is to get pepper spray out of here? So I liked reading the signs, you see signs around, and if you've ever seen the deer crossing sign, they put those up whenever there's been an incident with the deer, which really makes me wonder what shit went down at that tractor crossing sign. I was in a parking garage stairwell, and the sign on the door said, "This door must remain closed at all times." I was stuck for over an hour. But my favorite sign is the Vacation Bible School sign. And I have been racking my brain trying to figure out what the difference is between the regular Bible and the Vacation Bible. Does the Vacation Bible have like Noah doing water skiing off the back of the ark? Or Jonah teaching people how to fish? Or Jesus bringing bagels and lox to the picnic and deciding he wants to take a dip but can't get wet? My ex-girlfriend did hit me with a restraining order. And I told her, I said, it's your fault. You made me promise I'd never leave you. Now grab me a beer, would you? I did once get kicked out of a wedding. The father of the bride came over and asked me to leave. I said, fine. Just do me a favor and tell your daughter I'll meet her in the car. Oh. That was my wedding. So, how many people believe there's a zombie apocalypse coming?
Woo!
What I want to know is, if there is one, who's going to be the first to offer gluten-free grains? I mean, come on, we're in Asheville. You know somebody's going to do it. And is there going to be a gray matter IPA?
We are in the South.
So, you ever hear somebody say something was better than sex? And it's like that chocolate's better than sex. I don't think so. The vanilla latte, that's better than sex. Pizza, better than sex. I like a good pie. But I think maybe they're doing sex wrong. So, I'm drawing blank here. Oh, okay. How many people have done the dating apps? Yeah. Maybe you guys can help me. I've been doing the dating apps and looking at the profiles, and I still cannot quite understand the appeal of that close-up of the left eye. You ever seen those pictures? In fact, one close-up right here. It's like, is there something wrong with the other eye? Or do they have really sure arms for those selfies? But I did go on a Tinder date, and we had dinner, and things seemed to be going well, so we caught a movie. And if you haven't been to the movies recently, they've got the little screen where you can choose your seats. So I let her choose a seat. She goes, here and over here. I thought the date had been going well. I said, well, what's wrong? She goes, you're just too childish. I said, hey, wait a minute. I read your profile. You said you love children. So a couple other phrases that I like to hear that people say is women, guys, you probably heard the girls say this, I can't read your mind. Now guys, aren't you glad they can't? Because otherwise we'd be ducking all the time. But I've been doing comedy now a little over a year. And I found that comedy is filled with a lot of bald jokes and what I did when I drank too much, racial insensitivity, family dysfunction, and smoking weed. And I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't do drugs, full head of hair, and I'm white, so what the fuck do I have to complain about? Now, when I say I'm white, if the lights went out right now, they'd put me by the door so you can find your way out. If I walked up and I did the fist bump with a little explosion, at that moment it would no longer be cool. Now, I was a successful rapper for a while. Of course, that involved a table at the mall around Christmas time. I haven't gotten the light yet, so I'm going to stick a few more in here. So I've been doing more cooking lately. I got divorced a few years back, and so I was tired of the fast food and the prepared food, so I started doing some cooking. And I did not realize that cooking can get you fired. I was talking about a new recipe I found with a coworker. She said it sounded really cool, so I texted it to her. About a half hour later, HR was on my ass. I said, hey, I'm sorry, I didn't know she wouldn't like the eggplant taco recipe. That one takes a second. Have you ever heard somebody say, don't hold your breath, or something? It's like, they promise to clean the garage, but don't hold your breath. I want to see somebody say that when it's a viable option. It's like, hey, I'm driving a convertible through Canton, but I'm not going to hold my breath. For those non-locals, Canton does have a paper plant and bid odors. So I'm going to get a little political on it. Can anybody tell me if they build the wall, will we still be able to get to Taco Bell? I know that's the important question. I did see an advertisement for the job of assistant to Justice Kavanaugh. It said the primary requirement is to make sure he remembers not to wear the white robes. And the GOP stance on homosexuality really confuses me. As far back as I can remember, they've been fucking us all in the ass. And I did hear that to fund the wall, they're thinking about a sponsorship program, and Taco Bell is right up there on first in line to put ads on the wall. Get that paid for. So, what do I want to end with? So, how many are familiar with the sexual habits of the praying mantis?
Yes.
If you're not familiar, at climax, the female will bite the head off of the male. Now, I don't know about you, but that seems like the worst reward for a job well done I've ever heard. But you would think that that information would have made its way down to the other members, You think two guys would be talking saying, hey, did you hear that Jason and Emma were supposed to hook up last weekend? Have you talked to Jason today? I haven't seen him all week. And when Mama praying mantis take her little son to the side and say, listen, Bobby, whatever you do, don't lose your head over a girl. In related news, researchers have found an increase in homosexuality in the praying mantis population. That is my time. You've been a great audience. Thank you very much.
George Wagner, everybody. All right.